Hi everyone, so we have already started a lecture series on the Laplace transformation. So as we have already discussed one property in previous lecture, so that property is if Laplace transformation of f of t equal to phi of s, then its a first property is Laplace transformation of e raised to at into f of t is equal to, that is its value is phi of s minus a, and second property is Laplace transformation of this e raised to minus at into this f of t equal to phi of s plus e. Now main question is how to remember this formula. So if we have a plus here, then write it as a negative, and when we have a negative sign here, then write it as a positive. So as we have observed that this first term, that is phi of s, and this in this second method, that is phi of s, both will contain same terms, that is phi of s, and simply there is only change in the second term, that is when we have a positive, then we can write its opposite a sign, that is a negative, and when we have this negative sign, then we can write its opposite sign, that is a positive, and coefficient of t, that is a, and coefficient of t, that is a. So with the help of above two methods, we are going to solve questions one by one. So consider it's a first example. So Laplace transformation of e raised to 3t into sine 2t is equal to question mark. So compare this question with given method. So this equation is same as this property number 1. So with the help of this property, we are going to solve this question, and this is actually very simple question. In two steps, we are going to solve this question. So step 1 is, whenever question is like this, that is e raised to something into this second term, that is f of t, just do one thing, that is apply this Laplace on this second term. Therefore we are going to apply this Laplace on the second term, that is sine 2t. So we have already know that is a standard formulae. So with the help of standard formulae, we can find its a solution very easily. So here a is equal to how much? 2. So Laplace transformation of this sine 2t is equal to how much? This 2 divide by this s square plus 2 square, that is a 4. So we denote this 2 upon sine s square plus 4 as a phi of s, and we denote this equation as equation number 1. So this is our step number 1. Now step number 2 is just consider this equation as it is, that is step number 2. So step number 2 will contain, that is Laplace transformation of our main question, that is e raised to 3t into this sine 2t. Okay, so as we have already obtained, that is when we have such a type of a question, then only write this phi of s as it is. Just in second term there will be change, that is if we have a plus sign, then write it as a negative, and second term will be this coefficient of t. So similarly we have now obtained this term as a e raised to something into this f of t, that is sine 2t. Its solution will be phi as it is, s as it is. Now here we have a positive sign, then write it's a opposite sign, that is opposite sign is a negative, and coefficient of t is how much? 3. So write it as a s minus 3. From equation 1, that is when we have a phi of s, then we can write it as like this, then only replace this s by s of s minus 3. Therefore equation 1 becomes, that is this 2 numerator as it is, so take 2 as it is, divide by this s square plus 4. So now s is replaced by s minus 3, so now write s minus 3 square plus 4. So this is your answer. Now simplify little bit, that is 2 divided by this s minus 3 square, that means s square minus 6 times s plus 9, 3 square, that is 9, 9 plus 4 is equal to how much? 13. So this is your answer of this question number 1. So with the help of these two steps, we can find answer of this Laplace transformation very easily.